Redmond homeowners appreciate clean, modern design and practical home upgrades that make life easier. Picture Windows, known for their expansive glass panels and sleek, minimalist appearance, have become a favorite choice for today's contemporary homes in the Redmond area. Not only do they maximize natural light and enhance scenic views, but they are also one of the lowest maintenance window styles available. For busy families and professionals, Picture Windows offer year-round beauty and performance with minimal effort. Here's why low-maintenance Picture Windows are a smart, stylish upgrade for modern Redmond homes. A clean, contemporary look that enhances any home. Picture Windows are designed without moving parts, giving them a clean, simple look that aligns perfectly with modern architecture. Their large, unobstructed glass panels create a sleek, streamlined appearance that fits beautifully in Redmond's newer communities and renovated homes. Homeowners love that Picture Windows provide a modern design with minimal framing, create dramatic visual impact from the outside, offer expansive views of Redmond's greenery and natural landscapes, complement open floor plans and contemporary interior decor. Their minimalist aesthetic instantly elevates curb appeal and indoor style. Minimal upkeep thanks to fixed frame construction. Because Picture Windows do not open or close, they have no mechanical components, reducing the wear and tear that often leads to maintenance issues. This means no crank mechanisms to lubricate locks or latches to fix moving sashes to get stuck hinges that can rust. For Redmond homeowners with busy schedules, this makes Picture Windows one of the easiest window types to maintain. Easy cleaning for a clear, beautiful view. Many window styles require cleaning tracks, screens, and moving parts. But Picture Windows offer quick, fuss-free cleaning, perfect for families, remote workers, or anyone wanting less home maintenance. Cleaning is simple because there are no tracks or screens to clean. The flush design makes both sides easy to wipe down. Large glass panes require minimal scrubbing. Outdoor cleaning is effortless when installed in accessible areas. With Redmond's rainy climate, Picture Windows naturally stay cleaner longer, often needing only a quick wipe to maintain their sparkle. Highly energy efficient for Redmond's changing weather. Although Picture Windows don't open, they offer exceptional insulation and weather resistance, ideal for Redmond's cool winters and mild, humid summers. Energy efficient options include double or triple pane glass to reduce heat transfer, low E coatings that reflect heat and block UV rays, gas-filled panes, argon or krypton, for better insulation, thermally advanced frames to prevent drafts. Since Picture Windows are fixed in place, they naturally create a tight seal that keeps conditioned air inside and outdoor air out, saving energy and lowering utility costs. Durable materials built for Redmond's climate. Picture Windows are available in several low-maintenance frame materials designed to withstand moisture, temperature shifts, and Washington's rainy weather. Popular choices include vinyl resistant to moisture, no peeling or repainting needed, easy to clean; fiberglass, extremely strong and weather resistant, won't warp, swell, or rot; long lasting, even in damp climates; aluminum with thermal breaks, sleek, modern appearance; corrosion resistant finishes, excellent for large window openings. These materials ensure that your Picture Windows remain beautiful and functional for decades. Maximizes natural light for brighter living spaces. One of the most beloved benefits of Picture Windows is the way they enhance natural lighting. Redmond homeowners appreciate bright indoor spaces, especially during the darker months. Picture Windows help reduce the need for artificial lighting, improve mood and productivity, highlight interior design and decor, make rooms feel larger and more open. Natural light is a highly desirable feature for today's buyers, adding comfort and value to your home. Transform your Redmond home with low-maintenance Picture Windows. If you want an upgrade that blends modern style, impressive durability, and easy upkeep, Picture Windows are a top choice for Redmond homes. Their fixed design minimizes maintenance, while their expansive glass panels maximize natural light, energy efficiency, and visual appeal. For homeowners seeking long-lasting beauty with minimal effort, low-maintenance Picture Windows deliver the perfect balance of convenience and contemporary design.